Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to set up Init in AutoCAD. First of all, we go to application menu, then you come to drawing utility and choose Unit, or else just click on your keyboard and enter. Then you will see the drawing unit display. Here, lane type, you choose the one you want. Let's say you want to choose engineering, then you make the precision. You choose any precision you want. Then you come to this one, insertion scale. Make sure it should be in feet or inches, okay. Then you come to international dispatch. You choose always international. And angle part, the angle part, you will have many options: decimal, degree, grid, minute, and second, grad, and you are also gradient and silver unit. So you choose the default one, decimal, degree, okay. Now you make the precision that you want, and this part is a clockwise. That means the angle is anti-clockwise. Positive is anti-clockwise. Then if you select this one, that means the angle is now positive, is clockwise now. So you leave it like this, then to be anti-clockwise. We learn more when we do the rotation part. Okay. Now you click OK. Then if you want to draw any length, it will be now in uh, inches. Right. So let's go for another one. Now if you want to draw any you want to do now any unit, choose decimal, okay. Then after that you come to insertion scale. Always come to insertion scale and click this. You choose decimal, right? So you have to change the insertion scale in millimeter, centimeter, or meter. It's compulsory. Now you choose any of these three units that you wanted, then you click OK. So any length that you will draw now, it will be in millimeter automatically. So that's how you can set up your unit in AutoCAD, and that's it. Thank you so much. I wish you to subscribe and stay on. We will learn more in this journey of AutoCAD. I'm ready to help you. I'm ready to teach you everything about AutoCAD. Then we all go to project. We go still to project until we finish any step, all the step of AutoCAD. Thank you so much.